So today I am taking you into the bedroom and the closet. There is no dresser. There is this for the TV and some, I think it's DVDs down in there, and some of my husband's mask stuff for sleep apnea machine, bed sheets, bed buddies, um, batteries, stuff like that. And then that's a little thing from IKEA that he needed for his sleep apnea machine and the washer and all that. And the So Clean washer, he has loved having that. Then there's a drawer under the bed on each side. And I think he has like shorts in his and swim stuff, some winter stuff. I have, I think, some shorts, maybe another pair of jeans. I'm not sure what all's even under there. I should go through that again. This is instead of a nightstand, and I can lay in bed and actually reach this. So it's got anything that would be in a nightstand, and I don't add to it. Cord for the cell phone. Something I do like is this, and that's enough light to read by. It's LEDs, and they actually come with the stickum to actually go on the back of the bed. Or I have some in my kitchen. I have one that's been cut shorter, and it's on my sewing machine. So there's that. The bench used to be a headboard and footboard, and a friend's husband made it for me. And then I have a picture frame that I actually cut all the little slats and stuff and glued in so that I could put lots of pictures in there. And then we have this just hutch style bookcase that's for all the blankets and photo albums, things like that. Then closet. Okay, when we got new floors right before COVID, we gutted our closet and started over. So these are, I think, the shoe holders, and you can get these from Bed Bath & Beyond. And I use one side for t-shirts that are night shirts and night pants, and then some fuzzy socks, and then my shoes. And then we come across hubby's socks and underwear, and then he folds all of his own shirts, and he has like a bazillion superhero shirts and church t-shirts, stuff like that. Then up top I have purses, and then like winter gloves, hats, stuff like that. I probably need to go through and get rid of some more of that. Okay, then, oh, and that is a cutting board. He actually uses that to fold all of his own shirts. Yep, I'm not doing it, he does. So, and it was his idea after he saw how the closet was being redone. Okay, that is one of those reacher things. We got it when he had neck surgery a few years back, and we just put it up there in case we ever needed it. Then these hooks. You will see these hooks in various places. They're great for hanging your jeans, your belts, whatever. I got them at IKEA just a few weeks ago. I think it was a 10-pack. So let's look at the top first. We have extra king mattress cover and a heated mattress cover, body pillows, afghans, blankets, another pillow, a wedge that folds, and then come on around here, and luggage, and a foot thing to soak, and then a grabbing bag for when we go to the pool, which doesn't happen very often, and then another hook. So yeah, these things are pretty strong and just really good. I will sometimes hang a shirt there if I've just worn it for a couple hours to go out and do something. Okay, the midsection, hubby shirts, and then my shirts. I have a couple tank tops there that are dressier, and then my top shirts And then I need to go through this again because some of that's cruise clothes, but with COVID, we've not been on a cruise in a while. Tank tops, again, just easy organizing. You could also use the shoe organizers for that. This one has bras and one pair of jean shorts. But I like the kind that hang like this because they go this way and take up less space, okay? And I think this is IKEA. Yeah, these are from IKEA. So they're super long. And then the next one is leggings. I wear leggings a lot in the winter to sleep in. So, and then I think this is my husband's tucked from when he does weddings. Some more socks, pants, some more of his shirts and pants that he's trying to get back into. And then these little things, underwear, socks, and this is why there's no dresser. And then this bag, which is awesome. If I were going to redo these, I would get more of the IKEA bags just because I think they're stronger. These are kind of flimsy, but these were like real cheap online or Daiso, I don't remember which. But my socks are all black. They're all almost the same, so there's no problems matching. Put them in here. When I'm doing laundry, it comes off the hanger, zips shut, goes thrown in the dirty clothes, and gets washed. Comes out, my socks are already all together. So it's just been a lifesaver. You could hang one of these in every kid's room just on the doorknob and have their socks already separated. I love the idea. Then another hook and my purse, which I seldom carry. I'm trying to teach hubby, which it looks like he's doing it, to actually hang all the hangers in one spot. So when we do laundry, we take hangers with us. And we're back to the entrance of the closet again. Yeah, he has his laundry basket. Then I have one from the Dollar Tree down there because I just don't let my stuff pile up. I don't have enough to let it really pile up. And then we have one that's drip dry and stuff. That right there is the extra air purifier insert, and it just is a good place to keep it because we use that in our bedroom. One of the main things about your closet is put stuff in the closet that's used in the room that connects to it. So that's been huge for us. But anyway, that is our closet. I hope there's something in there that helped you to be a little bit more organized. I like how it turned out. So thanks for watching, and I will see you next time with a coloring video. Okay, bye-bye.